Hello and welcome to WeLearn. This is session 15 of Product Management, Pre-Test Marketing and Test Marketing. Topics to be covered: Introduction, Assessor Model, Preference Model, Trial Repeated Model, Test Marketing or No Test Marketing, Issue in Test Marketing. Introduction. Yes, in this session we will going to understand that how the pre-test marketing and test marketing is actually conducted. If we talk about the test marketing is the penultimate step in the new product development and the last opportunity to safeguard against the introduction of a wrong new product in the market. It is what the kind of a step which is required to getting the understanding about आपके पास किस तरीके के अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं मार्केट के अंदर, किस तरीके से आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट के अंदर लॉन्च अप कर सकते हैं, आप किस तरीके से उसे एक गलत प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में आने से रोक सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली दी test marketing is conducted. So we can say that test marketing is all about getting the understanding कि किस market के understanding कि किस तरीके की opportunities आपको market provide करवा रहा है. So we all know that the test marketing is one of an expensive method, not only in terms of money but in terms of time, in terms of other resources, but also the exposure to the competition. So in that terms, yes, ये अपने आप में बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस है, एक्सपेंसिव मेथड है, टाइम के रिलेटेड, मनी के रिलेटेड, बाकी सोर्सेज के रिलेटेड. सो इन दैट टर्म्स इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू गेट द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द टेस्ट मार्केटिंग. So the main factor which is suggested by the various writers are into the test marketing. Test marketing के अंदर बहुत सारे factors को define किया गया है. So in that terms वो factors क्या क्या हैं? सबसे पहले the creation of the awareness amongst the potential consumers, users, various communication mechanism. It is what creation of the awareness के बारे में बताना amongst the potential consumers. आपके जो भी potential consumers हैं और वो एग्जैक्टली किस तरीके की अवेयरनेस या किस तरीके की कम्युनिकेशन चाहते हैं अबाउट दी प्रोडक्ट. सबसे पहले तो ये चीज़. अनदर इज़ प्रोड्यूसिंग दी जेन्युइन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू द कंज्यूमर टू बाय विद द सम इंटरेस्ट. दैट इज़ व्हाट टू ब्रिंगिंग आउट द जेन्युइन अपॉर्चुनिटी. आपकी जो एक genuine factors बताना consumers के with the some interesting. Another is creating a genuine interest for trying the product. That means it is what the creating the benefits or getting the interest from the product और उसकी एक genuinity को define करना. Another is mechanisms for collecting the free based immediately on the factor, either encouraging or discouraging use of product. That is what bringing out the immediately on a factors कि आप एक collection of free basis आप एक collection करेंगे data के on the basis of encouraging and discouraging the data. So yes, at the same time the product needs to put on the regular in-house use test without the knowledge that they are being sampled in the test. Another is the repeat purchase measures and the frequencies of the use measures. Benchmark for the decision making also is the one of the usage concept जहाँ पर हम लोग एक तो प्रोडक्ट की नीड को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि किस तरीके की नीड्स हैं, and yes, at the same time what kind of a knowledge we actually required to test our product. At the same time repeated price कैसे मेजर किया जाएगा, repeated purchase कैसे मेजर की जाएगी, किस तरीके से फ्रिक्वेंसीज ऑफ यूजर्स मेजर्स को डिफाइन किया जाएगा, व्हाट वुड बी द बेंचमार्क फॉर द डिसीजंस मेकिंग. सो इन सब तरीके की चीज़ों पर भी एक डिस्कशंस ली जाती हैं. Another is the resources approach would helps to understand. Yes, at the same time जो भी resources approaches होती हैं वो किस तरीके से help करती हैं to comes into a picture. सबसे पहले है focus the long term market share of the product and the sales volume over the decisions period. That means it is what to focus the long term market share. आप अपने market share को define करोगे. Another is estimate the draw and the cannibalization and the test marketing. You actually work on to draw on the cannibalizations and test marketing. Then the assessors model, as we all know that there was a certain model in the pre-testing concept. So the basic procedure of assessor approach is basically presented in that particular diagram which we see in the slide. So assessors estimate the market share using the two model. First the preference model, another is the trial repeat model. If the both the model predict the similar forecast, it increase the confidence of the decision maker also, and it's generate the divergent forecast. It would caution the decision maker to look into the diagnostic information much more closely and seriously. So in that case, yes, there were the overview of the assessor's model. It is what the measurement input was on the one side. This is what the positioning strategy. It is what the marketing price comes into a picture. That is what management input would be there. Another is when that inputs are further lead with the consumer research input. So that preferably generate the preference model and the trial repeat model. If that both gives the reconciliations of the output and equal reconciliation, then brand share prediction would be there and unit slides volume would be there. And if they didn't lead to anything, so consumers lead would further diagnostic the information and preference model with further draw and cannibalize in that particular situation. So in that case, yes, personal interview for the respondent would be there. And in the case of the measurement, the criteria for the target group identifications would be there. So in that terms, yes, there was the design and we can say that the procedures and measurement of it. As we all know that O1 is a kind of the design which is actually created in that scenario, which is the persona interview for responding screening or measurement के लिए criteria for targeting group and identification. O2 is the pre-measurement for established brand. Another in the measurement is the compositions of relevant set of established brand attributes, weights and rating the preferences. X2 is advertisement explorer of establishing a new brand, and O3 is measurement of reactions to advertisements. It is what the self-advertisement. Another is the operational data can be collected in that case. So X2 is shopping in the stimulated market. Both new and established brand are exposed to the respondent. O4 is the purchase opportunity, which is what kind of opportunity the consumer have. Another is the user of product, and the post usage measure would be there. So in the measurement side, yes, the use rate of the new brand, usage satisfaction, repeat purchase propensities, and yes, the attribute rating of the relevant set include the new brand. So yes, the data collection is carried out in the two phases, as we all know. The first phase is stimulated market-based data, and the second phase of a data collection is conducting after the product usage. So that is the first phase जहाँ पर data जो है collect किया जाता है. And yes, in the second, the collection data is actually conducting after the product usage. So second phase of a data collection after the product usage may be after 2 to 4 weeks. In that case, the participant are offered a chance to repurchase the new product, and they are requested to respond to the same set of a question they have already explored to the different liability testing. So in that case, yes, in S3's model, we come to know that it further lead towards the preference model. So preference model in that case, when we were actually looking for to judge out the preferences from that data, जो भी कंपनी ने वहाँ से डाटा कलेक्ट किया है, उस डाटा से किस तरीके की प्रेफरेंसेस जनरेट हो रही हैं, उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए सो द प्रेफरेंस मॉडल इज कंडक्टेड. So in this model, consumers' preferences measured during the data collection are used in terms of they are transformed into the choice probabilities. These choice probability would indicate the respondent will purchase each of the product in their considerations set. That could be the formula of the purchase model. That is PIJ. PIJ is basically stands for the probability that participant 1 choosing the brand or the product J for the purchase. That means choosing the brand and product would be the J for the purchase. Another is the SIJ. SIJ is what the ith participant stated preference for the product J, यानी कि एक जो भी नंबर का participant है उसने उस particular product के लिए interest दिखाया है. And the another is the CI would be the ith participant consideration set, and as we all know about the SIK, another is the B stands for the parameter estimated from the data indication the rate to which the preference of the product are transformed into the product. So this is what if the user rate differs significantly across the respondent. Pj is weighted based on the usage index. So Wi to convert the probability to purchase into the market share of the product and rise the equation present above. So as mentioned earlier, parameters B is basically the estimation using data that collected during the laboratory test. So in that case, index of a rate at which the preference of a product converted into the purchase probability. Then the brand with the higher preferences will having the higher purchasing probability would be there. So maximum likelihood estimation procedure is used to estimate the value of the list would be there. So again, that formula would be defined in the task is the estimating the product purchase probability to the new product. So to do that, the preference are measured for both existing and new product after the product usage. So as the participant are aware of the new product and seen the sample also, we can assume that the new product will be in their consideration set of all the participant. Then the equation will be this. This is what Pij is equals to SBij divided by SB I new plus the sum of KECI SIBIK. So that is what the bring out the new formula in the preference model after that changes occurring in that particular scenarios. Then other is like market share can be obtained summarizing the purchase possibilities of each of new products. So we all know that yes, there was the certain kind of products to be considered in terms of market share can be summarized or they will be producers. So MS किस तरीके से निकाला जाता है market share की जहाँ बात हो रही थी previous point के अंदर. So market share is basically the market share of product Z. Purchase probability of J product from ith consumer, and yes, the total number of participant in the society that comes into the eth or E concept. So it is what the MIS new is equals to the sum of Pij divided by N. That this estimations would be optimistic because it is assumed that every one of the respondent will include the new product in their consideration set. It is what the bringing out the positivity, the optimistic on that particular scenarios in which it is required to assume that everyone in the respondent will include the new product. So everyone is actually included and participating in that particular new product. So yes, then in that case, the market share for a new product can be obtained by, that means they were actually agreed to bringing out that in the market. So another is respondent will include the new product in their consideration set. So that means everybody in the marketplace would include the new production in their consideration set. To remove this barrier, the marketer shares can be weighted using the proportion of the respondent who will be included the new product in their consideration set. Another is similarly the first one was that another is the similar the weighted market share can be obtained for all the product using the pre-trial and the post-trial, and the trial market share is possible to estimate the cannibalizations and draws. To do it, we have to participate the respondent into another followed the equations could be used estimating the source of information technology, that is MIS J is equals to V new. That is the second formula of preference theory. So this is the example of the preference theory कि preference theory का basic example क्या है. Basic example के अंदर we can see that explanation of preference model in the accessories preference rating, that is everyone provide their ratings understanding, and after that it is what the post praise or pre-purchase. Then another is trial and repeated model. Trial and repeated model is again when the company is trying all about when the customer is actually trying to get all about the product or lead towards the further market to buy that particular product. So that is the trial marketing. So it is what the Caesar used the trial repeated model for estimating the long sum money market share. Using the new approach would help to increase the confidence of the stimuli. Following the formulas is basically used to estimate the long term market share of the new business, and yes, at the same time new product using trial and measuring the genre during the volatile post usage design and usage collection. So in that comes, yes, two approaches would like to help in, that is MS new ITU, and this is what the PFD plus CU minus FKD and then into my CU. So in that case, trial and error method, we all know that there would be in a trial and error concept की trial और उसके ऊपर concept के ऊपर काम किया जाएगा. So in that term सबसे पहले बात करते हैं how the trials occur. Like suppose R is there and other is the customers or continue with the other brands. That would lead towards the brought the Vatica last time or brought the other brand last time, in terms of कि आपने कोई different brands खरीदे हुए हैं, तो you are in that position whether to ask this brand or this brand. In that comes the above information can be performed in the form of matrix as below. ये matrix के form में define होती है. Matrix in we all have an idea about matrix. That is what, or in the general, this is what the one of the general concept to be considered. The R is there was POV minus 1 minus PVV plus POV. It is the kind of the estimations of long term repeated rate. जो long term repeated rate है वो ना हो उसके लिए explanations हैं. The term also refer to the promotions of the consumers and who will try if the product is provide the sample, and yes, at the same time who are aware about the new product. It is available to them in the container supporting web. Another is test marketing. Test marketing is just to bringing out the test in the market to just to conducting the test in the market. This is test marketing. So test marketing is primarily used for frequently purchased fast moving consumer goods, and generally the principles can be applied easily to the industrial goods and consumer durable goods also. So this is what the किस तरीके से what was the fast moving consumer goods in the market and how they were actually available and consumed durable goods also. The objective of test marketing are generally food holders and generally in terms of defining the food holders. So that is what the test marketing. Now what are the objectives of test marketing? And objectives of test marketing, सबसे पहले to obtain the best estimate of the sales volume and market share of the new product. That is what defining about what kind of share volume and what kind of a market share of the new product would be there. Another is marketing mix element like distributor support, advertisement responding, and some sales promotion efforts can be evaluated only in the test marketing. Another is only opportunity to evaluate the entire marketing system and strategies, and yes, at the same time it is the large in the dark rehearsal time to streamline the manufacturing setting and delivering the product to the customer. That would be probably lead towards the objective or lead towards the trust of the market. Now another is West marketing. West marketing is advancement of test marketing. The marketer can protect the alternative marketing strategies. The firm may get the valuable clues to the various market segmentations of the new product and its distribution management. It is basically beside the identification, seller potential of a new product if it's highly to the source of supply. Sales. It's bring out all the unsuspected product failure, difficult and problem in terms of that to be taken. Another is it is expressed the concept of the marketing formula and the developers to be the reality. In terms of yes, what are the basic disadvantages of test marketing? सबसे पहले time consuming process होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. Another is it is really costly. same as with the time project. Another is it is may be exploited by the competitors, and it strengthen their product by the end position, and it not only properly or rushed through, the result may be provide to the suicidal. इशू ऑफ टेस्ट मार्केटिंग में किस किस तरह के इश्यूज हैं. सबसे पहले है डिज़ाइनिंग द टेस्ट मार्केटिंग इज़ द फर्स्ट इशू. अनदर इज़ ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टेस्ट मार्केटिंग. देन डिज़ाइन ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट इज़ द अनदर इशू. देन डाटा कलेक्शन इज़ द अनदर इशू फ्रॉम द मार्केट. Then store audit would be there, customers would be there, and the daily planning, it would be analysis of that particular issues areas of the parking lot. So in that terms, yes, there was few questions which you have to do it yourself. So first is explain the accessories model, and then explain the West model. So yes, this is all about for the today's session. We were winding up here. Thank you so much. Happy learning. We learn.